Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the future of home energy storage with Tesla's latest innovation, the Powerwall 3. Whether you are looking to reduce your energy bills, increase your home's resilience, or contribute to a greener planet, the Powerwall 3 has something to offer. Let's take a closer look. First thing first, let's talk about what the Tesla Powerwall 3 is. It's a sleek, wall-mounted battery system designed to store energy generated by your solar panels or from the grid. This stored energy can be used during power outage at night or when electricity rates are higher. Here we have the Powerwall 3. It's more than just a battery. It's an advanced energy management system with a capacity of 13.5 kilowatt hour. It can power an average home for a day, and with multiple Powerwalls, you can scale up your storage to meet your needs. The Powerwall 3 seamlessly integrates with your solar panels and your home's electrical system. During the day, your solar panels generate electricity and any excess energy is stored in the Powerwall. At night or during a power outage, the Powerwall kicks in to provide uninterrupted power. One of the standout features of the Powerwall 3 is its intelligent energy management. It uses advanced algorithms to optimize energy usage, ensuring that you are using stored energy at the most cost-effective time. This not only helps you save money, but also reduce strain on the grid during peak hours. And the best part, you can monitor and control everything from the Tesla mobile app. Check your energy production and consumption in real time, set preference for energy usage, and even receive alerts for power outage. It's energy management at your fingerprints. Since installing the Powerwall 3, I have seen a significant drop in our electricity bills. It's also reassuring to know we have backup power during outage. The app is super intuitive and we love being able to track our energy usage in real time. So, who is the Tesla Powerwall 3 for? Whether you are a tech enthusiast, an eco conscious homeowner, or someone looking to gain energy independence, the Powerwall 3 offers a range of benefits. It's an investment in your home, your future, and the planet. To recap, the Tesla Powerwall 3 provides reliable energy storage, intelligent energy management, seamless integration with solar panels, real-time monitoring and control via the Tesla app, backup power during outage. If you are interested in making the switch to sustainable energy, the Tesla Powerwall 3 could be the perfect solution for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech and energy updates. Leave your question and comments below. We love hearing from you. See you next time. Stay powered, stay sustainable, and stay tuned for more.